Hello and welcome guys. In today's video we will cover how to edit short videos. Whether you are new to editing or looking to improve your skill, this tutorial is for you. For this tutorial we will be using Canva. Go to canva.com now, search for YouTube Shorts. There are so many templates that you can start with if the topic that you are explaining to matches any one of the templates. You can choose and start with that templates. Right now we will go to the blank YouTube Shorts. Let's name it YouTube Shorts. Change for any background color, the one that you prefer. I am choosing black now. Go to videos and search for any stock footage that you are planning to make a short video, and I am making a short video about the top 5 freelancing sites. This video goes well with the intro. Now replace the background. If you want to adjust the video, then double click and adjust it, and I am decreasing the transparency to got the text that will go on top of the video. You will be more visible now. For the text, go to text and choose any that you like. Type in your text. If you want to change color of certain text only, select and choose the color you like. You can also change the line, and I will let her spacing according to your preference. If you want to change the font, you can change it from here. Now to add an effect like effect and choose the one that you like to animate the text, like click animate the select on the one that you like. I am going with typewriter. You can either increase or decrease the speed of the effect. Edition videos, replacing it with the background and decreasing the transparency. Rather than having the text in one color, it looks better when you either highlight or change the color to few words. This is the third frame, and for numbering I am choosing different font style. You can also experiment with whatever you want instead. So in this method you create your short video with Canva. That's all for now guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.